Here we are, just a few kilometers from the yoga center, an exciting terrain out here. So, been really super busy days, so we thought we'll take the motorcycles out today and ride up. This really interesting terrain. And it's been some time since we rode our motorcycles. So here I am and well, I'm riding my Honda 1200 VFR. No clutch on it. Riding in the mountains is a bit of hard work. But the younger riders are enjoying motorcycles which have a clutch to ride. But such a joy to be here. Life in abundance absolute abundance Absolutely spectacular out here, and where if you walk for a mile, you won't see sunlight. That's how thick and wonderful it is. Look at this, it's absolutely spectacular. As I said, we thought we'll take our motorcycles out today. Because for me, my education largely happened on my motorcycle early on. Education should not be about molding children the way you want them, but about supporting their natural longing to know and blossom. For me, motorcycle became a way of simply riding across the country, most of the time alone, and I think I perceived the geography and terrain was very important for me, and the terrain, the people, the life in this subcontinent I don't know how many people would have seen it the way I have seen it, because I was a completely uneducated, fresh mind, just looking at everything as it is. I know every leaf, every fruit, every flower that happens in this terrain, but I don't know a single name because I never bothered to find out botanical names and stuff because that was not my idea of education. For me, education should stimulate growth and allow an individual human being to blossom to one's fullest potential. It's from this, always, those who are in spiritual pursuit, yogis always went off into wild terrain because life which is not socially cultivated is far more closer to what is within us than social circumstances. So this morning just we took it off to be here just for a couple of hours and it's absolutely fantastic. Though riding in this terrain, you must see the road how it is. It's hard work because this motorcycle is not built for that, but here we are. Yeah, it's crazy riding a motorcycle which is over 300 kilograms with accessories in sand and slush. Hard work, huh?